Rain cascades down, blurring the world outside. The sound of rain intensifies, filling the silence. I stand at the window, watching the storm. A wave of disappointment washes over me as I stare at the rain. "It's raining," I exclaim, my voice tinged with dismay. The droplets race each other down the glass, mirroring my own restlessness. Bathed in the gentle light of day, the living room radiates a cozy warmth as my brother is already dressed. I enter, drawn by the inviting ambiance, and quickly wrap myself in the comforting embrace of warm layers. "Warm clothes make everything better," I say. Together, we bask in the simple pleasure of warmth, finding solace in the soft textures and gentle light. Inside the warm kitchen, I sit at the table, a steaming mug warming my hands. My brother sits across from me, absorbed in his toys, occasionally glancing up with a smile. I savor the tea. This hot tea is so good. I open a book, ready to share its stories aloud. I begin to read aloud, filling the room with tales as the rain falls softly outside. The sound of rain outside fades as we enjoy the warmth and contentment within.
Vocabulary explanation. Let's learn the new words from our story. Rain. It is water from the sky. Stay. We don't not go out, we stay inside. Warm clothes. Clothes like jackets, sweaters, and socks. Hot tea. A warm drink we love on rainy days. Book. We can read it. It has pages and words. Toys. Things to play with, like blocks or dolls. Music. Something we listen to. It makes us happy. Rain. Stay. Warm clothes. Hot tea. Book. Toys. Music. Short sentence breakdown. It is raining. I stay at home. We wear warm clothes. We drink hot tea. I read a book. My brother plays with toys. We listen to music. Mini quiz time. Let's see what you learned. What do we drink on a rainy day? A. Water. B. Hot tea. C. Juice. Hot tea. What do we wear when it is cold? A. Warm clothes. B. Swimwear. C. Pajamas. Warm clothes. What do we do at home in the story? A. Fly a kite. B. Read a book. C. Go shopping. Read a book. See you next time. Bye-bye.